Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Seat. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site on a glorious sunny and hot day. All the cars are having a bath. As you can see, plenty of stock on the forecourt, so you can always pop down and have a look, see if there's anything you fancy, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our vehicles online, or go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com and have a look at our stock there, see if there's anything you like. In the meantime, we've got this excellent 2023 Seat Leon. It's an FR TSI Evo edition. It's a 1 litre petrol. It is manual in Nevada white, which in this heat is certainly a good colour to have. It's a 5-door hatch, tinted windows at the back, black shark fin aerial. On this particular edition you get brake control system, ESC brake boost, cruise control with speed limiter, digital dash, heated wing mirrors, lane assist, media system plus, sat nav, parking sensors, driver profile selector, full link, which is your Apple CarPlay and Android facilities, sports suspension and your 17-inch alloys. But it's a very nice looking car. You also got the panoramic tail light as well, which does look really nice. Plenty of room in the boot, good size, underfloor storage as well. 60/40 split on the back seats should you need it. Cloth interior apart from the leatherette on the seat edges and headrests, and then you got your copper stitching as well. FR illuminated door sills. You got your 6-speed gearbox. You got your start stop button, electric parking brake, auto hold, central locking, 2 USB ports, full colour touchscreen, your console. So you got your quick switch buttons here, so you got your sat nav, full link, phone connectivity should you need it. You got your car settings, and you can switch between the split screen or the icon menu depending on what you want. Digital dash or cockpit, left hand wand indicators, beam settings, left hand of your steering wheel is your cruise control, right hand wand windscreen wipers and washers, and then right hand of the steering wheel is your control pad, and it's also your hands-free Bluetooth and volume controls. But you've also got the controls for your cockpit, so you can change your layout. And also change the display on what information is provided for you. Multi-function headlights just down on the right hand side. Then your door, you got your wing mirrors and windows. It is a really nice car. It's very well laid out, really modern, spacious, stylish. So if you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.